Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and back for another quick segment. We're back in the bathroom. We're finishing up on the wall, and let me show you what's going on. So far, we got our wall. It's growing. I'm gonna put plywood on in front. They don't want anything special. They just wanted the bathroom contained for privacy, and I get that. So now we are coming along here. We're going to take another piece. We're going to put it up here, cut our piece in, and screw it in. Okay, this piece here that we're putting in, we're going to freestyle that cut using our multi-purpose tool. Here's our multi-purpose tool. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut it out and finish in this wall here, as you can start to see. Hold on, let me give you a closer bird's eye view. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this back 11 3/8. And if you can see, if I can give you a bird's eye view. Okay, here is our wall. We're up to this part. Now we're going to cut this. We're going to freestyle this cut with the multi-purpose tool. We're going to go 11 3/8. Okay, let's get that cut little by little. And before I start, you can see what I'm doing. It's just so difficult. Come in. Follow that Okay, we're going to continue to follow that line as such. Now what we're doing is we're screwing this board in place. Grab our impact. We're basically going almost 6 inches apart. Get that in there. And on our joints, we're going to caulk our joints off all around to give a nice smooth finish. Let's get more of these up. As you can see, we just have that top part to do. And we're coming in nice and easy. Let's get a nice screw in here. Right there. Okay. Now, that's good. Now let's get this top part, if you can see that right there. Okay, let's begin to get that taken care of. Okay, we're going to get this piece up. We got this was a leftover piece. You want to use all your pieces. Don't waste any of these pieces at all, because this piece was 24 inches. As you can see, we got 24 inches, but we're going to use that. We're going to go right here as such, even it up at the end. I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to put a filler in. I'm going to make this nice. So now